By the end of March 2022, the NPAs of the bank were just 7.42 lakh crore rupees. This is the lowest in 6 years. In 2018, bank's NPA reached a record high of 10.36 lakh crore rupees. NPA means non-performing assets, the ones whose payment is due for over 90 days. In simple terms, it means more than 3 installments have not been paid. This lower NPA can look like good news. However, this is not due to improvement but just because of bookkeeping entries. NPAs have declined because banks have written off the loans. This means banks don't expect to recover the loans. For this, banks made provisions from profit equivalent to the loan amount and then it is written off from the books. You can think of it like this. Banks lend money from the deposits you make and earn a profit on lending interest. Provision is done from that same profit. If not for provisioning, the bank could have given the amount as dividend to its shareholders or as a higher interest rate on deposits. Now the question is, how many loans were written off? So, as per official figures, from March 2018 to March 2022, loans worth 8.53 lakh crore rupees were written off by the government. In the financial year ending on 2021-22, banks have written off 1.75 lakh crore rupees. As per another figure, out of total loans given by the banks, NPA is only 5.9%. This was 11.2% in March 2018. This basically means that if a bank has given a loan of 100 rupees, then 5 rupees 90 paise out of it has become NPA. This was more than 11 rupees previously. This figure could not have been better if bad loans hadn't increased in recent years. This figure is also lower because loan books of banks have increased. In FY 2021, 2.56 lakh crore new NPAs were created. In FY 2022, this figure was 2.86 lakh crore. COVID is also responsible for higher NPAs. In the current fiscal year, this figure can increase even further. Because during COVID, loans were restructured for 2 years. This will end in FY 2023.